Hello students, I hope you are well at home and you are healthy, you are safe and sound with your family members. You know, this is epidemic time and so many things have been changed. Especially for the students, the school has been closed and they are not able to know about the updation. I'm talking about class 10th students, those who are appearing in session 2020 and 21. For them, the course has been revised this year because of short duration of this session. So in this video we are going to discuss about the revised syllabus of English language and literature, which code is 184. So in this video we are going to see all about revised chapters which have been removed and the pattern which has been changed for asking question, the way how the question paper will come, all about this we are going to know about this video. So I wish all my students to see this video till the end. Let's go ahead and see what are the changes and revised syllabus. Here with the help of this chart we are going to understand all about the revised syllabus. See that you can see there are three columns. First one, it is about previous syllabus, second one revised syllabus, and third one is remark. It means we are going to know about that which are the lessons which have been deleted from this session. See, first lesson, A Letter to God, it is the same. Second lesson, Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom, that is also the same, no changes there. Chapter number third, that is also the same, where there are two parts. First one is First Flight and second one Black Aeroplane. Chapter number 4, I am talking about fiction first. There are all fictions here we are going to discuss. Fiction 4, that is From the Diary of Anne Frank, no changes there. Chapter number 5, The 100 Dresses. Chapter number 6, The 100 Dresses Part 2, there is no change. Chapter 7, Glimpses of India, there is no change in all the parts. So what are the changes? You see here only one lesson from fiction, there is a change, that is Misville the Otter, that has been deleted from this session. It means from the fiction there are 10 chapters. From 10 chapters only one chapter has been removed, that is Misville the Otter, and Madam Rides the Bus, The Sermon at Banaras, and Drama The Proposal. These are all same, there is no change. So conclusion is that from fiction there are 10 chapters and one drama. Out of all, only one chapter has been deleted, that is Misville the Otter. If we talk about poems, so from the poems there are many poems which have been removed. See that Dust of Snow, Fire and Ice, Tiger in the Zoo. First three poems are there in the course, but the fourth one, How to Tell Wild Animal, that has been deleted. Fifth poem, The Ball Poem, still it is in your course. Sixth one, Amanda. Seventh one, Animals. These are all the part of your course, but poem number 8, that is Trees, poem number 9, that is Fog, and the last poem for Anne Gregory, that 4 poems have been removed from this session, only from this session, remember. So one fiction and 4 poems, one fiction and 4 poems have been deleted from the First Flight book. I'm talking about First Flight. So from fiction 1 and from the poem 4 poems. What are the 4 poems? How to Tell Wild Animals, Trees, Fog, and For Anne Gregory. These 4 poems have been deleted and one fiction has been deleted. If we talk about the book Footprint Without Feet, supplementary reader, so from this there are 10 chapters. These are the 10 chapters. From 10 chapters, 3 lessons have been deleted. Third one, fourth one, and the last one. So The Midnight Visitor, A Question of Trust, The Book That Saved the Earth. These 3 lessons have been removed from the syllabus. So you have understood that 2 books, NCERT books, which we follow in 10th class, First Flight. From First Flight, 1 fiction, 4 poems, and from supplementary reader that is footprints without feet. From there 3 chapters have been deleted and 7 chapters we have to study. If we talk about the grammar one, so in grammar there are 8 chapters. You see that tense, models, subject verb agreement or subject verb concord also. Reported speech, it includes command and request, statement and question, and 5th one is determiners. Here you can see that the 3 chapters which have been removed, that is use of passive voice, clause and preposition. So these 3 lessons have been removed from the grammar. Now you have understood about the book and the grammar. We must know what will be the pattern of the question, how question will be asked. So let's see about that also. This is the original circular or the curriculum which has been released by the CBSE. So I'm going to explain each and every line thoroughly. You see that these are the pages where it has been mentioned about the objectives, what are the objectives of all these, and you can download from CBSE site also. So directly I am coming to the point that what we have to know about that. This is about 9th class. So firstly I am going to talk about 10th. So let's go ahead. 10th class, I am just moving towards 10th class. You see that this is all about 9th class, the chapters which have been removed, about the book, activity and all that. It was about 9th class. See that is the weightage about 9th class. Here it is about 10th class. So you see that 10th class paper has been divided in 2 parts. First part is part A and part B. In part A there are 40 marks question paper and in part B there are 40 marks question paper. So let's see that how it has been divided. First part, you see that the first question will be discursive passage, unseen passage, 400 to 450 words to test inference, evaluation and vocab. There will be 12 questions, objective question, MCQ, multiple choice question will be there. 12 questions will be there. Out of 12, 10 has to be done. So out of 12, 10 questions you have to do. It will be of 10 marks. So first passage, first question, 10 marks question will be there. Out of 12 multiple choice question, you have to opt any 10. Question number 2, multiple choice question based on a case based factual passage. So passage will be there, factual passage, case based with visual inputs, statistical data, charts, etc. It will be of 300 to 350 words. The length of the passage will be there, and here again 12 questions will be asked. You have to attempt any 10 out of 12. So total marks of reading passage, it will be 20 marks and all 20 questions will be multiple choice question. I hope you have got it, that question number 1 multiple choice question, question number 2 it will be also multiple choice questions. 10 questions will be there for attempting, though there will be 12 questions, but you have to attempt 10 from first question, 10 from second question. Now first question and second question. Now you see the third question. Third question is about the literature from the book. Multiple choice question based on an extract from drama or prose. It means from First Flight book. There will be multiple choice question from extract. In 9th class you might have studied about the extracts. Extract will be taken from the prose or drama, and from there here 2 extracts will be asked. You have to give only answer of 1 extract. There will be 5 questions in that extract. Last year it was completely different, but this year that is completely different. So you have to pay attention that 2 extracts will be there. In each extract 5 questions will be asked, but you have to attempt only 1 extract from First Flight book, prose and drama. Now second one is question number 4th. Multiple choice question based on extract from poetry. It means one extract will be from prose and drama and one extract will be from poetry. From poetry, again 5 questions will be asked. 2 extracts will be given. You have to attempt any one extract. So one extract here, one extract here, 5 questions each. 10 marks will be asked from literature in part A. So far you have understood here that 20 marks will be asked from unseen passage and 10 marks will be asked from literature textbook. Only extracts will be there. 4 extracts, you have to do any 2 extracts from each question. One question from each question. Sorry, one extract from each question. Now if we talk about grammar, so here you see that in grammar lesson 10 multiple choice question will be there out of 12. Here also out of 12 you have to attempt 10 questions, but the course which will be here, that will be tense, modals, subject verb agreement, reported speech. In reported speech, commands and requests, statements and question, and determinants. So these will be 5 chapters from the grammar which will be asked. It will be multiple choice question. Once again I am repeating. Now the lessons which have been deleted, that already we have discussed, passive voice, clause and preposition, which will not be the part of grammar this session only. So you have understood. Let me tell you the 40 marks how it will be divided. Question number 1, unseen passage, discursive, 10 marks, multiple choice question. Out of 12 we have to do 10 questions. Second question will be factual passage, again 10 multiple choice question. You have to attempt only 10. So 20 marks from passage. 2 extracts will be asked. 2 extracts will be asked from prose and 2 extracts will be asked from poetry. 5 questions you have to attempt from one extract. So 10 marks will be from literature and 10 marks multiple choice question will be from grammar, and the course will be, or syllabus is tense, modals, subject verb agreement, reported speech and determinants. Now let's talk about the part B. In part B, you might have noticed one thing, that in part A all the questions are multiple choice question. All 40 questions are multiple choice question, but here it is subjective. You have to answer here, you have to write. So you see that question number first of part B, that is formal letter. Formal letter, you have to write. Formal letter includes letter to school, principal, officials, organizations, company, business letter, that all will be the part of formal letter. So it will be of 5 marks. Letter writing, 2 letters will be asked, you have to do 1 out of 2. Second question will be paragraph writing, an analytical paragraph writing, 100 to 120 words based on given outlines, data, chart, clues or different kinds of things will be provided. On the basis of that you will have to write one paragraph of 100 to 120 words. It will be also 5 marks. So 2 questions are clear. Now that was about writing. Grammar already we have discussed in part 1. If we talk about literature, so here you have to pay attention that literature is of 30 marks and how it has been divided. 4 out of 6 short answer type question. 4 questions out of 6 short answer type questions to be answered in 20 to 30 words from Footprints Without Feet and First Flight. Actually 6 questions will be asked, 3 questions from First Flight and 3 questions from Footprints Without Feet, but you have to attempt any 4 questions. It will be of 8 marks. Once again I am repeating, short answer type questions, 3 from first book, 3 from second book. Now question number 4, 4 out of 6 short answer type questions to be answered in 40 to 50 words each from First Flight and Footprint Without Feet, 2 out of 3 from First Flight and 2 out of 3 from Footprint Without Feet. So again here also you have to remember that 4 questions will be asked, 6 questions will be asked, 3 from First Flight and 3 from Footprint Without Feet. But what is the difference? difference is there, that here it was 20 to 30 words and here 40 to 50 words. Word limit and marking scheme has been changed. It was of 2 marks and here it is of 3 marks each question. So 8 marks and 12 marks, total 20 marks question from 2 books, equally it will come. Now the last one, 1 out of 2 long answer type question. First flight to be answered in about 100 to 120 words each to access creativity, imagination and extrapolation beyond the text and across the text. It means it will be a global question. It will be of 5 marks and it will be asked from first flight book. It means short answer type questions 20 to 30. 4 questions you have to attempt. 4 questions you have to attempt from 40 to 50 words. Equal weightage is there in the both book. And the last one, question number 5, it is about the long answer type question which will be asked from first flight book. Now 5 marks question, again that global question from footprints without feet. 5 marks question will be asked from footprints without feet. So 2 long answer type questions will be asked, one from first flight and one from footprints without feet. And here you can see that 4 questions in question 3rd and question 4, 1 question from question 5 and question 6 will be of 1 questions. Here we have to attempt. So you might have understood that our paper has been divided into 2 groups, part A and part B. Part A 40 marks, all multiple choice question. Part B is about writing and literature book, textbook. In literature book we have studied that 30 marks question, means we have gone through that. 30 marks question will be asked. Here equal weightage is there. 4 questions short answer type questions, it will be of 8 marks. 4 question will be 40 words, 40 to 50 words question. It will be 3 from first book, 3 from second book, and one question from each book. It will be of 5 marks. So overall here 30 marks question from here and 10 marks question from writing. So you might have understood that overall summary, that this is the chapters which have been removed from the chapter. So you see that once again I am telling you that 40 marks from A part and from B part also 40 marks. Here in 40 marks, all 40 marks multiple choice question. Here 10 marks writing and 30 marks will be from literature. I hope you might have understood this one and you don't have any type of any kind of confusion in the syllabus, that what syllabus will be asked, how the question will be asked. Very clear is there, part A and part B. From part A there are, you see that from part A there are 5 questions and from part B there are 6 questions. There are 6 questions from part B and from part A there are here 5 questions. So overall 11 questions will be asked for 80 marks. 20 marks again will be the internal one, which will be assessed on the basis of your internal activities. Thank you. Have a nice day.